Business Break, sponsored by Deuterman Law Group.
Today we have Tom Lamm, a workers' comp attorney with the Deuterman Law Group. Welcome, Tom.
Thanks for having me.
In our last discussion, you answered some questions about common misconceptions about workers' comp. We talked about pre-existing conditions and how you can still be entitled to benefits. What's another misconception that you frequently see?
Sure. Well, again, it's great to be in today. We do see a lot of misconceptions in workers' comp. As we've talked about before, it's a very complicated area of the law, and it's always changing. And a lot of times when we talk about people getting hurt at work, you know, we tend to make things up when we're talking to each other or things that we've just heard before. And one of those is we think that if the injury is our fault, we're not entitled to benefits, when in fact, that's just simply not the case.
So the accident can be my fault and I'm still eligible for benefits?
Absolutely. In North Carolina, we have what we call a no-fault system. So what that means is it doesn't matter whose fault it is that you got hurt. You're going to be entitled to the same benefits, whether it was the worker's fault or someone else's.
That's surprising. Are there any exceptions to that?
Sure. So there are a couple bright exceptions to it. For example, you can't get hurt on purpose. If you hurt yourself on purpose, clearly you're not going to be entitled to benefits when that happens. You could also, if you're intoxicated and that causes you to get hurt, you're probably not going to get benefits in that situation. But even in that situation, there are some other exceptions, and it's very case by case, very fact specific. So that's why it's very important that you call us and consult with a board certified specialist at the Deuterman Law Group early in your case. We'll look at all the facts and see if even if the accident's your fault, we'll see what benefits you're entitled to. We have offices in Greenville and in Wilmington, and we'll be happy to have you in.
Thank you for all that helpful information. If you're interested in learning more, visit DeutermanLaw.com.